Namaste all of you. Today I came with an interesting topic. Today let us discuss about differential equations. Now what is a differential equation? An equation which involves unknown functions and their derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. I repeat, an equation which involves unknown functions and their derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. Now how it look like? I just scribble here how it look like. Say dy by dx is y dash. Okay. D square y by dx square is y double dash. You remember this, huh? Now it may be d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 7 is equal to 0. Now this sort of structure is termed as a differential equation. Okay. Now if you write in y forms, how you will write y double dash plus 2y dash plus 7 is equal to 0. This is called a differential equation. Now, like we have polynomials. In polynomials, we have first definition of a polynomial, then the degree of a polynomial. Okay. In the same way, we have in the differential equation. Okay. Now, just we have an example with which you can able to understand. Find the order and degree if defined of each of the following differential equations. Example, dy by dx minus cos x is equal to 0. Now dy by dx is the first order derivative. Dy by dx is the first order of the derivative. So its order is 1. And the entire polynomial form is of the first degree, no square forms, no cube forms. So the degree of the expression is also 1. So that is the answer you can expect. The highest order of the derivative present in the differential equation is dy by dx. So its order is 1. If the polynomial equation has the highest power 1, so therefore it is having the degree also 1. Am I clear? We'll go for one more example. Now look at this example. xy d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx whole square minus y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now in the given example, the highest order is d square y by dx square. So order is 2. Now when you come to identify the degree of it, the highest order is in first degree, 1. Therefore, its degree is 1. Hope you have understood now. Now this is a question. Order is 3, okay. But what is that is, it is not a polynomial expression, because there is an exponential form, therefore it is not considered with a degree. When exponential form is there, when trigonometrical form is there, we can't define the degree. Suppose you are given like this, cos dy by dx, like this is given to you, plus y double dash is given is equal to 0 is given. Now what is the order of it? You can say order is 2, no doubt. Okay, but what is the degree? Not defined. Exponential forms and all, we can't exactly state the degree. Now one more example I just give you. You d phi y by dx phi plus y cube is equal to e power dy by dx. Now order is 5. Order is 5. Degree not defined. Any form which has exponential forms or any forms with cos or sine or trigonometric ratio with dy by dx inside, such forms are called not defined forms. I just give you one more example. D square y by dx square whole cubed plus d square y by dx square plus sine y dash is equal to 2x minus 1. What is order is 2. Then what about degree?
Not defined.
Thank you very much. Because y dash is there in the sign. Got it clear? That's all for today. More interesting topics in the next videos. Keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.